crow shat on me. Hello guys, namaste, welcome to my channel. For the ones who don't know me, I'm Amisha Singh Chauhan. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that every time I'm here, you'll get to know about it.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Like you can see, I'm right in front of Starbucks. But yeah, so I wasn't allowed to shoot inside, but I still did a little before they could stop us. So I'm here with my drink. It's not my usual drink. She is having my usual drink. I just have like dark chocolate with Java chip, and I'm so sorry about the voice. Like, it's gonna be here. It's Bombay. It's not Lonavala. But it's gonna be quiet. Let's go.
I'm nervous that it's
So right now I'm out of my sister's college. It's near Church Gate, near Marine Drive. I cannot take the college's name for obvious reasons. Oh, there's a poop over here. My sister just alerted me. Thankfully I got to know about it. Otherwise I would have stopped. Yeah, so we had to actually go to the college because there was some issue regarding fee payment. I don't know, there's something seriously wrong with the Indian universities. Like, the websites are not good and they are terrible when it comes to online, admissions and fee payment and shit like that. So we had to come. We waited outside the office for almost an hour. Then the principal came and then we met her, which was again very difficult to do. In the end, she said she'll help her with, again, why are there so many shit on this footpath? Anyways, so we are done in the college. We might have to come again in a week to get the confirmation and all the paperwork done. I mean, it's sad that everything is online, everything is supposed to be on the website, yet most of the students have difficulty, and then we have to come to the college and do all that crap, wait for an hour to even enter the college. We were like right outside. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys something. A crow shat on me, like right on my arms. Thankfully we had wet wipes, which is again very important if you're in Bombay. It's really humid over here, and then dust. My arms are hurting. How do you guys vlog? Like, my arms are really hurting. Anyways, right now I am going to Marine Drive. Can you guys see it? No, right? Well, I'll show you. So here we are at Marine Drive, and yep, that's a nice view, right? Like a panorama, something like that. My last vlog, it was very short. Like, the vlog was barely for 3 minutes. Obviously it was my first time vlogging, so it couldn't be that good, and there were a lot of flaws. Today we are here. Nothing as big as anything. Like, it's been so long that I've been here and my hands aching a lot holding that camera. I don't know how to do that. I haven't gotten a tripod. I'm just testing out things. Soon I will get equipments like a professional vlogger. Anyways, it's really sunny and I can't wear my glasses because I have to vlog, and my sister says it looks silly if I wear glasses and do a vlog, and I can't even open my eyes. But the view is amazing.
It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you.
Previously, a lot of people were saying like, I'm so lucky that I can go out and stuff. No, I'm not. There's a lot of mehnat that we have to do to step out of the naval base. So we had to speak to the naval police. We have to get a permission. So we have to get permission and stuff, and we have to tell them in details. My sister had to show her college ID card and the email she received from the office, yeah, we don't just go out for, you know, having fun and stuff. Even like last time I vlogged, we had to get some important things apart from my makeup supplies. Yeah, that's not an essential. It reminds me of someone who said in Big Boss, makeup is essential. No, it isn't for me. Even today, like we had my sister's admission thing happening. My hair looks sticky. And right now we have to go to Churchgate. There is some paperwork we have to do. I'm tired, walking. But it's good. I'm getting some workout. I don't do any kind of workout these days. I started in the beginning of the lockdown. I lost some weight. Yay. But then I gained double of it. Yay not. And I'm walking. There are not a lot of people, but then people around here are looking at me. I felt awkward when I started vlogging, but right now I'm just used to it. I enjoy doing this and it is fun. Like once you start it, you get that... What is the word? I'm lost a word. Like you get that thing, you're getting it, what I'm trying to say. So, my arms are hurting really bad, but I'm still gonna vlog. So we are near this cricket association thing. You see that? I think I shouldn't have taken a video. It's illegal. But I like doing illegal stuff. I've done a lot of illegal stuff. Like, I'm not gonna say that. Because I don't want to go to jail. I've heard they don't have internet. So guys, I guess that's all for the day. I don't know if it's going to be a long vlog, but I hope it's longer than the previous one. I don't have a lot of time right now. It's really hot, like really hot, and though I'm wearing sunscreen, but I'll probably get really tan. Anyways, so I am here at the Gol Maidan, Oval Maidan, not Gol. I don't know what's oval in Hindi. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments. Anyways, it was a good day. Got to go to Marine Drive. Yeah, apart from the part that I have to go to Sisters College office and stand there for an hour. But yeah, it was a productive day. I have to go home and study. My timetable is out and I'll have my exams from 14th and I'll be uploading lesser video. That's all. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And well, for those who have subscribed, love you. And for those who haven't, love you too. Bye bye. Hit that bell icon and like, share and comment.